People decide who you are before you even speak. Here's how you master that moment. First impressions are created in 3 seconds. Not when you start talking, but the moment you enter the room. Here are the 3 pillars that shape those seconds. Your posture. Stand tall, relax shoulders, grounded stance. People instinctively trust a centered, confident posture. Presence. Pause before you speak. Take in the room. A calm presence communicates self-assurance without a word. Polish. Your grooming attire, attitude, and energy all speak before you do. Polish is not about being perfect. It's about being intentional. When you combine posture, presence, and polish, you communicate one powerful message. I'm someone worth listening to. Practice this and watch opportunities begin to open.